Let's descale your Nescafé Dolce Gusto Mini Me 2 coffee machine. This process helps maintain your machine's performance so you can keep enjoying your favourite beverages for a long time. You should descale your machine every 3 to 4 months, or when the start button lights up steady orange, your beverage comes out slower or cooler than usual. What you'll need: Nescafé Dolce Gusto Descaling Solution, available in our webshop, 500 ml of drinking water, rinsing tool, a container to catch the water, a soft cloth for cleaning. So let's go! Mix the full bottle of descaling solution with 500 ml of fresh water. Pour the solution into the empty water tank and insert it back into the machine. Put the rinsing tool into the capsule holder. It will make the process more efficient. Put the capsule holder back in place and push down the locking handle. Remove the drip tray. Place a large empty container underneath the coffee outlet to collect the water. Now let's get down to business. Enter descaling mode, set the level slider at the maximum level, press and hold both the temperature button and start button for at least 5 seconds. The start button will blink orange. This means the machine entered the descaling mode. Press start button. Descaling starts and water will flow in cycles until the water tank is empty. You can pause descaling by pressing the start button. Waiting time. After water tank is empty and for maximum descaling effect, the machine will pause for about 2 minutes. During this time, the start button is orange and blinks green. When the 2 minutes are up, it turns solid orange. It's almost done. Time to prepare for rinsing. Empty and clean the container and put it back. Rinse and clean the water tank thoroughly. Then refill with fresh drinking water and reinsert it. Start the rinse cycle. Press the start button. Wait until the extraction stops. At the end of the rinsing cycle, the start button turns green. Remove the container. Remove the rinsing tool and keep it for next time. Rinse the capsule holder with fresh drinking water, dry it and put it back. Empty and clean the container. Rinse and clean the water tank. Afterwards, refill with fresh drinking water and insert it into the machine. For the final cleaning, make sure your Mini Me 2 is switched off and unplugged. Use soft cloth to clean the machine. Then insert the drip tray back. That's it! Your Nescafé Dolce Gusto Mini Me 2 is now descaled and ready to keep making delicious beverages for you.